Welcome to Pharma Center. Today we are going to see some videos regarding MCQs for MRB Pharmacist exam in Pharmaceutics subjects. We can get into the video. 11th question. 1 fluid ounce is equal to how many tablespoon? Option A 1 tablespoon. Option B 2 tablespoon. Option C 3 tablespoon and option D 4 tablespoon. The correct answer is option B 2 tablespoon. So 1 fluid ounce is equal to 30 ml and 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 ml. Now coming to 12th question. 1 tablespoon is equal to option A 30 ml, option B 15 ml, option C 25 ml and option D 4 ml. The correct answer is option B 15 ml. 13th question. Ball mill works on the principle of option A impact, option B attrition, option C collision and option D both impact and attrition. The correct answer for ball mill principle is option D both impact and attrition. So the ball mill works on the principle of both impact and attrition. Now coming to a 14th question. Hammer mill works on the principle of option A collision, option B impact, option C attrition and option D shear force. The ball mill works on the principle of both impact and attrition. Here they have asked about the hammer mill. That is the principle of hammer mill. So the principle of hammer mill works on option B impact. The answer is option B impact. Now coming to 5th question. Cyclone separator works on the principle of. We can see some options. Option A centrifugal force, option B tangential force, option C viscous force and option D circular force. And the correct answer is option A centrifugal force. Next, 16th question. Cells involved in cellular immunity. Already we have saw about the humoral immunity. So humoral immunity is an antibody mediated immunity and the cells involved in humoral immunity is B cells and antibodies. And here they have asked about the cellular immunity. So cellular immunity is a cell mediated immunity. So we can see some options. Option A T cells, option B B cells, option C antibodies and option D mast cells. The correct answer is option A T cells. So cellular mediated immunity is also known as cell mediated immunity and the cells involved in the cellular mediated immunity is T cells and the macrophages. Now we can get into the 17th question. Mechanism of action of a roller mill. So the mechanism of action of ball mill is both impact and attrition and the mechanism of principal action of a hammer mill is impact. Here they have asked about the mechanism of action of the roller mill. We can see options. Option A collision, option B impact, option C attrition and option D shear force. The correct answer is option C attrition. 18th question. Sterile air is obtained from which filter? Option A Seitz filter, option B HEPA filter, option C asbestos filter and option D cellulose acetate filter. So sterile air is obtained from option B HEPA filter. So HEPA filter is high efficiency particulate air filter which is present in laminar airflow hood. Now coming to 19th question. Maillard type of condensation is related to option A, lactose, option B, sucrose, option C, starch, and option D, hyaluronic acid. So here the starch is an homopolysaccharide and hyaluronic acid is an heteropolysaccharide. The Maillard type of condensation is related to option A, lactose. Now coming to 20th question. Sterilization of dairy product is by option A, fermentation, option B, aggregation, option C, tyndallization, and option D, pasteurization. So dairy product, for example milk, is sterilized by option D, pasteurization. So there are two methods in pasteurization. One is a Holder method and another one is a flask method. Thank you. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos.